Today we're checking out this Red Rock soft roll-up tonneau cover for the 2019 and newer Silverado 1500s with the 5.8 foot short bed and the 6.5 foot standard bed. This is going to be a great option if you're looking for a simple, affordable bed protection option that's easy to use on a day-to-day basis. It's going to be perfect for Silverado owners who want to keep their gear dry and covered without going for a heavy-duty setup. This low-profile design looks clean and gives your truck a sleek look without getting in the way. This cover is made from heavy-duty, weather-resistant vinyl that's built to handle rain, snow, and sun without fading or cracking over time. It's going to roll up really easily towards the cab, giving you quick access to the entire bed whenever you need it. The hook and loop fastening system makes opening and closing super simple with no snaps or zippers to mess with that sometimes can be harder to open. So one person can open and roll this up with no problem. These aluminum support bars on the underneath side are going to keep the cover tight and secure even when you're driving at those highway speeds, so you're not going to have flapping and a bunch of noise coming from behind you in the bed. This vinyl tarp is going to be UV resistant and designed to handle years of exposure without deteriorating. The frame is made from aircraft grade aluminum and it keeps the weight down without compromising strength. Everything is going to be nice and blacked out, so it's going to blend in well with most truck setups and look seamless with your bed trim. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that mid $200 price point, which is a solid price range for protecting your belongings and whatever you have in the bed of your truck. Installation on this is super straightforward, so we're rating this only a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in just 1 hour of your time. All the clamps and the hardware you're gonna need are gonna be included, so you don't need to worry about drilling or modifying your truck. Now let's head out onto the shop and they can give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how that install process goes.
For this install, you need some supplied Allen keys and a pair of scissors. All right, today we're gonna be installing a tonneau cover on our Silverado, so let's get started. All right, so we're gonna start off in the front of our bed here with our foam that will go across the top. Now you do wanna make sure that the top of your bed here is clean so that you get a nice adhesion to your double-side tape. Ours is a little messy from previous installs. That's not that big of a deal. But we're gonna start off on one end here, where you wanna make sure that it's towards the back of the truck. And then just peel the backing on the double-side tape and just work your way across. Now what you need to do to get to the end here, you have a little bit of extra, so just grab a pair of scissors and cut off the excess. All right, so we're gonna grab our cover now. We're gonna unbuckle our straps so we can free up this front edge here. We're just gonna lay that over the front of the bed, and then next we can get our side rails attached to the top. So next we're gonna get our side rails on. Just make sure you have the right one. The Velcro will be on the outside. Also, it's labeled with an R for right-hand side. We're just gonna lift our top up and slide our rail into the front section. You'll see the 2 grooves that will line up. Then you're gonna grab the smallest Allen key that's supplied with you, and you're gonna tighten down this little Allen nut right in the front here to secure the side rail to the front. Now once that's secure, we're just gonna loosely assemble our brackets here. So you're gonna see 3 of them. And slide one towards the front here to right here about this front hook. We have our second half. Now these are all the same, so you don't have to get them mixed up. You'll see a threaded portion that's gonna lock in like so. And then just is a countersunk hole. Thread that in. If you need to, grab the supplied Allen key, get that started. We're gonna get all of this loosely installed over here, and then we're gonna repeat the same thing on the other side by installing our rail and loosely installing our brackets. All right, so now go ahead and do the same thing for the other rail, other brackets, and then we'll come back, adjust, and tighten everything down. All right, so now what I went ahead and did was adjusted it off camera, you just want to make sure that your front seal is on the foam. All the rails are lined up and even with the back. That's why I have the tailgate closed, just to make sure everything stays even. Now we're going to go ahead and grab our large Allen key and tighten our 3 clamps on either side. All right, now you just go ahead and repeat the same thing on the other side. Go ahead, open your tonneau cover, make sure everything is even and tightens properly. Maybe make some minor adjustments if you need to, but then you're all set to go. And that wraps up our install for a Red Rock soft roll-up tonneau cover for our 2019 and newer Silverado 1500 with a 5.8 foot short and a 6.5 foot standard box. And remember, for everything Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.